Hello, as you can see I'm at the Caboolture Lapidary Club and today we are going to be cutting some insane Aussie agates, specifically from Agate Creek in North Queensland. I've got 70 of them to cut, so let's see if we can get through all of them. And yeah, let's get cutting and see what amazing beauty lies on the inside of them. So yeah, let's get cutting. Okay, so here are the Agate Creek agates we're going to be cutting today. Take a look at them. There's lots in there, so yeah, I can't wait to get cutting. Let's go. Okay, let's start off with this one right here and this funky weird nodule. So yeah, let's cut. Let's take a look at our first agate cut. Oh, that is interesting. I like the orangey red color in it and the yellow on the edge. It's got crystals and some dark stuff in there. I don't know exactly what that is. Is that smoky quartz? I don't know. If you guys know exactly what that is, leave a comment down below. I would love to know. Cool way to start. Okay, sadly our second one did completely fracture up on us. Look at that though. That is amazing. That is stunning. So sad that that just fractured up. That would have been amazing. I'll just have to tumble these pieces because, as you can see, it's all broken. But yeah, that's still pretty cool. Okay, next up, let's cut this big, funky one and this cool little nodule. Let's get cutting. Okay, next up we have this big chunky. Sadly this one did fracture up a bit on us. But oh, that's beautiful. Look at those like little sticks in there, or needle kind of things. They might be little pseudomorphs. But look at that, beautiful porcelain agate. It's a lighter porcelain agate. They are usually more bold in colour. But that is still very cool and I like it. Nice. Next up we have this one with a nice banded window. Let's take a look inside. Ooh, that's pretty cool. I love the purple and red colours in that. The waterline bands and the bands around. That's a cool pair. It's a bit fractured on the end there. These agates are very fracture prone sadly, but yeah, that's still pretty cool. I like it. Okay, let's cut this one, this purple and red one probably, and this big chunky nodule next. Can't wait. Next was this big chunky nodule. Let's take a look. Oh, that is awesome. Those darn surface fractures on that one. I should easily be able to polish that out once I get around to polishing that. But that is an absolutely stunning Agate Creek agate. Look at the orange and yellows in that. It's almost got like a greeny tinge to it too. That's absolutely amazing. Love that. Let's see inside of this one next. Oh, that's pretty. It is very fractured, sadly, again, but look at those nice bands down the bottom here. I love the colours. Purple and red, and some light pinks. That's a beautiful pair. Very nice. Next up, we're going to cut this one and this nodule. So yeah, let's cut them. Next we had this pair. Ooh, that's amazing. Look at the reds and oranges and yellows in that. That is absolutely stunning. The waterline bands down the bottom here and the beautiful bands around it. Oh, that is amazing. I love that so much. Annoying fractures again, but that is cool. I'll polish that one, hopefully. Next we had this old nodule. Let's see inside. Ooh, it's got some amethyst in that side. It's light, but hopefully you guys can see that. The purple right in the middle where my thumb is there. That is cool, and I love the amazing yellow and orange and kind of like green-like bands on the outside of that. That's an awesome pair. I love that. Very nice. Next up we'll cut this porcelain agate and this big chunky one. Let's see what's inside. Next up, we had this one. Sadly, one side of this fractured up heaps, so I didn't really get much out of it. But oh, that is an amazing porcelain agate. Colors are bold in that. That is amazing. Pretty cool. Loving that. I gotta polish out that. Didn't cut that one very well. But yeah, that's cool. I like it. Next was this chunky one. Let's see inside. Oh, that's pretty interesting. Nowhere near as good as the other ones, but I still like it. It's pretty interesting. It's got that white patch in the middle and it's not crystal, but still pretty cool. It's a nice big pair. Next up we'll cut this one right here and this probable porcelain agate. So yeah, let's cut. Let's see inside of this one. Oh, I was not expecting those colours in there. Very, very light colours. Super light, creamy pinks in there. I'm not too sure what those inclusions are down the bottom. If you do know, leave a comment down below. I'm leaning towards some sort of like plant-like or dendrite. Sorry, plant-like or dendrite kind of thing. But yeah, that is cool. I like that. Wasn't expecting that. We had this one next, which also sadly fractured up, but oh, that is beautiful. You can see this piece is broken right there, but wow, that is nice. Cool pair. There you go. Next up, we'll cut this big weird nodule, and we'll cut this one as well. Next was this big chunky nodule. Let's take a look inside. Oh, Look at those amazing bands. Oh my goodness, that's amazing. And then it's got the crystal pocket down the bottom. Oh, that is stunning. I love that. Sadly, it's fractured up there, but I should be able to polish that out. Oh, that is an amazing pair. I love that so much. Super cool. Next we have this pair. Let's take a look. Ooh, beautiful yellow and orange colors again with the waterline bands. Wow, that's very nice. I love that. I just love the colors. It reminds me of a sunset. So beautiful. Very nice. Next up, we'll cut this big porcelain. Hopefully it doesn't fracture on us. And we'll cut this one as well. Let's see what's inside of them. Can't wait. Let's see inside of this one. Ooh, that's pretty interesting. Nice colors on the outside and the quartz crystals there. That's pretty cool. I love the color in that. That is nice. Okay, I think we have a guaranteed banger here. Oh, that is an amazing porcelain agate. Look at the beautiful pinks and whites and light blues. Oh, that is absolutely breathtakingly beautiful. Oh, that is amazing. I absolutely love that beautiful Agate Creek porcelain agate. That is stunning. Insane. Next up, let's cut this one and this nodule. Let's see what's inside of them. Next we have this pair, let's take a look. Oh, sadly it's fractured, but it does have some bands in it. Still pretty cool, but yeah, that's really fractured. That's a bit annoying, but yeah, there you go. Let's take a look at this pair. Let's hope it's good. Oh, that's stunning. I love the colors in that. The beautiful light bluey colors and the pinks in there. It's got some weird little dots going on down in there. That is an absolutely stunning pair. Oh wow. Agate Creek agates are so amazing. And I got even more of these to cut. Next up I'm going to cut this one right here. And this giant big nodule. Let's see what's inside of them. Let's take a look at this big chunk. Interesting stuff going on the bottom there. Oh, I've never ever seen that before in an Agate Creek agate that I've ever cut. It is a pseudomorph agate. Look at the pseudomorphs in it. Oh, I've never had that in any agate that I've cut open. That's cool. I have one now. But look at all the crystal around there. I like the orange on the outside. Some inclusions up in here. I'm not too sure what it is. But that's pretty awesome. And here's our final cut for the video. Sadly, this one fractured a little, but oh, that's still pretty nice. I love the purple and red in that. Does have some bands in there. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool way to end it. Sadly, it's fractured, but yeah, it's a nice one. There you go. Whoops. Okay, that is the end of today's video. I hope you really enjoyed this one, because these Agate Creek agates are absolutely breathtaking. I hope you enjoyed seeing all these amazing ones cut open, and yeah, make sure to comment your favorite one. I do have heaps more of these to cut. We cut 20 today. I think I've got over 150 of them still to cut. So yeah, make sure to look out for those videos in the future. And yeah, next year, hopefully, I'm pretty sure, my Lapidary Club is doing a trip up to Agate Creek next year. So yeah, I can't wait for that. Hopefully I'll be going on that. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!